Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus drive from the Tech Mahindra company. Okay, so we will check what is the job description and selection process and other things. What are the important dates that you need to know. Okay, so Tech Mahindra is hiring for the fresher candidates. So here is an opportunity to help a fresher to kickstart and a fabulous and challenging career at Tech Mahindra. Candidate meeting the below mentioned academic eligibility can register their candidature at this link. Okay, so let me zoom this. Okay, so instruction for the registration are available at the site. Registration must be done by the candidate themselves. You need to register to participate in this placement drive. Registration would remain open till 22nd August. Till 22nd August you can register for the Tech Mahindra placement drive. Okay, so please share it in your social networks too, with your friends, family friends. Okay, so that they will also get a chance to apply for this Tech Mahindra drive. What is the academic eligibility? Qualifying courses: BTech in computer science, computer engineering, IT, electronics, ENTC, that is electronics and telecommunication, then telecommunication, electronics, or MCA. All these branch candidates are allowed. Candidates should have passed out qualifying course in 2020 and 2021 without any backlog. So those candidates who have completed their graduation in 2020 and 2021, those candidates are eligible. Candidate passing out in 2021 must be in possession of either consolidated mark sheet or provisional degree certificate, else do not register. Those candidates who have passed or who will pass in 2021, then they need either provisional degree or mark sheet. Okay, if you have both, that is good, that is well and good. If you have mark sheet and you do not have provisional degree, not a problem. And suppose if you have provisional degree and you do not have mark sheet, not a problem. You should have out of these you should have minimum one certificate out of these two. Okay, you should have scored minimum 60% in SSC, that is 10th HSC or diploma in case done, and BTech and MCA. Okay, so till SSC to till graduation you should have minimum 60%, not more than 1 year gap between two academic programs. Okay, so other details, as I said, selection process. So candidates meeting the academic eligibility will only be invited for the 2 rounds of online test. Round 1 test will be cognitive test, English essay or story writing, then technical test including coding. In round 1 coding test will be there as well. Okay, round 2 test cognitive technical including coding and psychometric test. Candidates clearing round 1 test will be only called for round 2 test. All rounds will be conducted virtually. Online test schedule would be communicated to the shortlisted candidates over a mail minimum 1 week prior to the date of test. Okay, so before 1 week you will get mail from the Tech Mahindra recruitment team about the next test or next interview. Candidate holding certificate like OCP, MCP, AWS, RPA, SAP, Coursera in credit mode would be given the preference. That means suppose RPA, which is robotic process automation, a course that I know, then AWS, Amazon Web Services. I don't know what is OCP and MCP, but yeah, if you have done certification in SAP or Coursera, then it will those candidate they will give the preference to these candidates. Okay, if you have done training in this or internship like that. Okay, so bond and compensation will be: after selection, candidate will be on probation of 3 months with the CTC of 2.6 lakh per annum. Okay, for the first 3 months you will get 2.6 lakh per annum, and on completion of probation, candidate will be offered CTC of 3.25 lakh per annum. Okay, candidate will have to sign an indemnity bond of rupees 1 lakh for a mandatory period of service of 2 years from the date of joining the company. Okay, so if you leave the company before 2 years, then you need to pay 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so for that there will be a bond for 2 years. Note, during probation candidate will undergo under specific classroom training, on the job training, shadowing, all as per the business requirement. Okay, first 3 months they will provide you the training, on job training. Okay, then joining location and work timings. Positions are open at Pune, Mumbai, Noida, Nagpur, Chennai, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Coimbatore, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar and Visakhapatnam. Okay, so all these job locations are available. Candidates should be willing to work as per the company or client specified work timings, including shift working. Okay, shift working means day shift or night shift as per the company or client requirement. Okay, so this was the overall the job description and the selection process, eligibility, important dates that we checked. Now how to apply? Now let me open that link. Okay, so go to this link, and as we have already checked what is the eligibility criteria, click here to register for this Tech Mahindra placement drive. Then you will see the list of instructions here that we have already checked here. Okay, the same instruction you will see here. If you want to read it, then please read it. I repeat, engineering streams are allowed: computer science, computer engineering, IT, ENC, that is electronics, then ENTC, that is electronics and telecommunication, communication, telecom, electronics, or MCA. Okay, so the same, those candidates, your please convert your CGPA into percentage. Okay, otherwise Tech Mahindra won't allow you to proceed further. Okay, so entering CGPA rating will result in you being found not eligible for this drive. If you enter your CGPA, okay, then Tech Mahindra won't allow you for this placement drive. So please convert your CGPA into percentage. Okay, so once you read all these instructions, tick checkbox and click on continue. Tech Mahindra does not charge any fee or payment. Okay, so this is the registration form. You need to enter your personal details, details. Okay, so before submitting any form, please recheck it once again. Okay, so that you won't stuck anywhere. Then enter your qualification details. If you did your post graduation, then select this, otherwise don't select this. Okay, engineering graduation, then science graduation, diploma if you have completed your diploma, then your 12th. Okay, yeah, both those candidates who have completed their both diploma and 12th, you can select both. Okay, as per your choice. Okay, and then your 10th details, then you see here captcha code, write the same code here that you see here. Okay, you can take the new one as well. Okay, enter and register for this drive. Okay, so please apply for this Tech Mahindra off campus drive, and thanks for watching this video.